Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by protecting your system. Create a restore point and back up important files now. Once done, open Command Prompt as administrator, then stop the Windows Update services like WiiWaServe, Bits, and Crypts so files aren't locked. Next, check free disk space and run sfc/scano to find corrupt system files. This helps explain why updates fail. Make sure to note any error codes you see so we can target them in the next steps. Now you repair the update components directly. Rename the software distribution and cacheroute 2 folders to force Windows to rebuild the cache. This removes bad download remnants. After that, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair the Windows image. It fixes underlying component store corruption, which SFC can't always resolve. Once dism finishes, restart the update services you stopped earlier. Then try checking for updates manually. If an update still fails, note its KB number for targeted. To finish, if a particular KB keeps failing, download its standalone MSU from the Microsoft Update Catalog and install it directly. That bypasses the client's downloader. If multiple updates break, reset the Windows Update agent or run an in-place repair upgrade to preserve apps and settings while fixing system files. If problems persist, check the Windows Update. Log and set up API logs for precise error codes, then search those codes. One key troubleshooting tip: always try the standalone installer before a full reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.